Welcome to today's Litmus Partner Spotlight Series. I'm Jess Materna, Senior Director of Product and Partner Marketing at Litmus. Today we have Matt Schnelker from Salesforce joining us. Matt, we're excited to have you.
Hi, thanks for having me. Super excited to be here. I'm a product marketer at Salesforce, like you were talking about there, and I work on our Marketing Cloud engagement product. Super excited to discuss the strong partnership and all the integrations we have with Litmus.
Yeah, I'm very excited too, and thank you for that introduction. Could you maybe start off by sharing a little bit more about Salesforce? Maybe how you differ from other email service providers or marketing automation platforms.
Sure. Well, to start, Litmus customers benefit from a seamless integration directly into our Marketing Cloud engagements content creation workflow. This allows customers to preview their email across a broad set of browsers, devices, and clients so they can send with confidence, all within the flow of work that our customers are really used to.
Absolutely. And I know that our customers have told us that that's what they love about our integrations with one another. So, why don't we take a look at those seamless integrations? Okay, so let's start by looking at the integrations that Litmus has directly within Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Here, I have an email that I've built out in Salesforce. I'm in the preview and test screen here, and I've selected a specific subscriber to view. So, this is my spring sale event. This subscriber, Tatiana, is not part of my loyalty program, but there is dynamic content in this email, and we'll get to how to test that in a moment. But first, let's run some previews. Here, by clicking the Litmus icon in the left, I have generated previews across more than 100 different email clients, devices, and reading environments to show me what Tatiana will see when she opens this email. Regardless of where she opens it, what reading environment again she's using, it's all right here. So I can click into any preview for more information, and that looks good. But then let's say I want to go back here and Tatiana, again, is not part of our loyalty program. I'm just going to close out of this specific preview. But Vishal is. So Vishal should get this exclusive message for members of the program. So I'm going to go back and run my previews again. And here you'll be able to see that I can now preview the email as Vishal would see it with the dynamic content. So this is just really helpful for all those emails where you have different variations and you want to make sure that it looks great for everybody. Litmus really makes that possible within Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So I'm going to switch gears a little bit and show you a different integration within Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Here I have the same email opened in edit mode in the content editor. And I'm going to go ahead and open up a tool called Litmus Extension. So Litmus Extension is a Chrome browser extension available exclusively in the Chrome browser, and it allows me to do a couple different things. First, we're going to take a look at previews and QA, and previews and QA is very similar to what we looked at. You can see I'm seeing the same previews here, they're generating, but what it allows you to do in addition to those previews is check more, other elements of the email experience that really make a difference when it comes to crafting that perfect customer journey. So I can take a look at my first impressions. Obviously, I want to update the subject line to something more relevant for my email. I can test my preview text. I can check my link functionality, tracking, image blocking, loading speed. Again, all of these elements matter quite a bit when it comes to creating a good subscriber experience. And I can even open this email in Litmus in a single click to do way more. So that's one way to use Litmus Extension. Another way is to actually add personalized content. So let's take a look at that. In this personalized tab, I can access any personalized content that I've created using Litmus Personalize within the Litmus Essentials part of our application. Or I should say any Litmus Personalized Essentials content created within the Litmus application. So I'm on the Personalized tab. I have a timer that I think would be perfect for this sale email. And here it is, Salesforce Spring Timer. I'm going to copy the HTML. It's that easy. I'm going to click to edit, open up my little code snippet, pop that timer right in, and you can see here it is. It's counting down in real time. It's really easy to take anything you've created already in Litmus, again, for personalization, add that directly to your email in Salesforce. So those are the integrations that we have within Salesforce Marketing Cloud directly. Now we're going to switch gears again and take a look at a couple integrations in Litmus that also add a ton of value. So here we have a email that I built in Litmus, another sale. Wonderbloom loves to have sales. And again, I've already built out this email, but the next integration I'm going to show you, typically you'd actually want to do it at the start of your email before you've built it out, because what it is called ESP Sync. And ESP Sync is a function where you can start your email in Litmus, and every single time you make an edit and save that edit, it'll automatically show up in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So I'm going to show you now how that works. I'm going to click Sync to ESP and choose Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I can even select folders in this subfolder if I want to, but I'm just going to sync it to the main Content Builder folder. Okay, I am all synced. I'm going to say open this email in my ESP in Salesforce. And without copying and pasting any code, which can be risky, time-consuming, just nerve-wracking for everybody, my email's automatically in Salesforce, and I can go ahead and see the most recent version there. But let's say that I look at this email and I say, oh, it's not actually 50% off seed packets, it's 40%. I can go to Litmus, click here, adjust this to 40%. Looks good. I'm going to save again because it's only every time you save that it updates in Salesforce. So I go back, open it again in my ESP, Salesforce. And here I have it, 40% off. It auto updated. Everything stays up to date. This, again, is really great if you have stakeholders that are working in Salesforce. Some may prefer to build in Litmus, but you want to keep everyone on the same page, and this is exactly how you do it. Okay, let's go back to Litmus and close this up. The next integration I'm going to show you is analytics integration that we have. So I'm going to pop over to our analytics tab. And this integration is called the Integrated Insights Report. So the Integrated Insights Report is actually a really neat report, and it pulls in data from Salesforce to Litmus so that you can see it all in one place. So you can see here I have open rate, click-through rate, click-to-open rate, and then Litmus's read rate. So you have some data from Salesforce combining with the Litmus read rate. And this is the percentage of opens that read your email for 8 or more seconds. It shows engagement, it shows intention. So we want to let you know more than just, okay, they opened it. What happened after they opened it? Who are your most engaged readers? And you can actually export that data, or there's an API where you can sync that data to like a business intelligence tool. But you can use that data in your segmentation moving forward, which is really cool. Regardless of whether or not you choose to export that data, one thing you can do with this report that's really neat is instantly see any emails that might need attention. So for example, here I have a list of emails with all of these integrated insights. And this email here says, is telling me it has a high unsubscribe rate. So if I click into this high unsubscribe rate, I can learn more. And here on the side, I have all these recommendations about how I can troubleshoot this unsubscribe rate issue. We do this for a number of different issues. It just gives you, again, that collective view of your most important email insights and guidance on what to do if and when there's a problem. Great. Well, now that we've gone over how we integrate with Salesforce, what benefits can customers expect to see from using Salesforce and Litmus together?
Yeah, well, as I'm sure you're well aware, Litmus and Salesforce Marketing Cloud are two very strong solutions that only get better when used together. Marketing Cloud's an incredibly powerful platform that delivers one-to-one personalized experiences to each and every member of your audience. It leverages rich profile data that allows marketers to send highly relevant content, and leveraging AI, they can ensure that content hits a customer's inbox when a customer is most statistically likely to engage with it. So our customers put a tremendous amount of thought into their customer-facing experiences, but all that effort can be wasted if the message that customers open isn't rendering correctly, affecting everything from brand perception to just legibility. Using Litmus to preview your messages in your customers' environments provides the assurance that their personalized message will be rendered as they designed, protecting their investment and all that time they put into personalization. So our customers are able to plan, strategize, build, test, and activate emails at a faster rate and higher quality than ever before.
Yeah, absolutely. And every email really is, a unique experience with a brand. So I totally understand how it's so important to make sure that every single one goes out the door perfect for every single subscriber or audience member that you're emailing to. And Litmus and Salesforce, they really are the perfect pair. With, like you were saying, Salesforce's data-driven personalization and AI-powered delivery. You combine that with Litmus's ability to help ensure every email is flawless. Marketers really do get that ability to create these really impactful, high quality campaigns that reflect their brand and really resonate with their audience. And we've actually heard that from several Litmus and Salesforce Marketing Cloud customers that we've talked to as well. So now, why don't we take a minute and dive into a couple of those stories right now? First up, let's talk about Atlantis, Dubai. Atlantis, Dubai is a world renowned luxury resort destination, and they achieved incredible efficiency gains with Litmus and Salesforce Marketing Cloud together. They upgraded from a Litmus Plus plan to an enterprise plan to gain access to our integrations between Litmus and Salesforce because they knew it would give them the ability to work smarter and not harder and successfully bring their email program in house, which was really important to them. So, by streamlining their email review and approval process and ensuring their emails are flawless and rendering across all devices perfectly, as well as leveraging actionable analytics between Litmus and Salesforce, their team cut their email speed to market, so the time it took them to create emails, by 60%, which is huge, saving an average of about 5 hours per email. So that really adds up. And this combination really empowers them to deliver those exceptional, personalized experiences that their guests really come to know based on the high standards of their brand. And one more story. Let's hear about Emerson. Emerson's comfort control marketing team really revolutionized their email process with Litmus and Salesforce together. They were able to cut their production and email review time by 70%. And that was from just, a matter of weeks to just days. So that takes it down quite a bit. And with an automated workflow, these streamlined approvals, powerful insights into subscriber behavior from, again, both Litmus and Salesforce, the team was able to boost their efficiency by 21% and increase their email accuracy rate by 68%. So they were sending out a whole lot more accurate emails a whole lot faster. They commented that having Litmus and Salesforce together not only ensures flawless, personalized emails, but also empowers them with data to optimize their campaigns both for a B2B and B2C audiences. They work with both. And it really just helped them, no matter what kind of customer, create these really exceptional customer experiences every time.
Yeah, thanks for taking us through those, awesome joint customer stories. And I know we have tons of them. I think they really showcase the effectiveness of using Salesforce and Litmus together inside of that flow of work and all the benefits that they're gaining from it.
Yeah, we love to hear it too. Matt, is there anything else you'd like to share about the value that you've seen from our partnership?
Yeah, I mean, I'd also love to call out the synergies and thought leadership that we've had in this space. We've collaborated on so many great resources and best practices guides. And I think everybody should go check those out when they get a chance.
Yeah, absolutely. I know that we have done a ton of thought leadership collaborations, and those are as impactful, if not more, and I'm just kidding, than the integrations, but they do really make an impact. It's great to be able to combine our thought leadership. I know we've collaborated on blogs that give insight into how email marketing can help nurture strong customer relationships, especially when personalized dynamic content is used. We co-hosted a webinar on the state of email innovations to help marketers stay ahead of the curve. So I also hugely value those co-marketing initiatives that we've done together. And again, there's so many other ways that we've collaborated together, and I really look forward to keeping that going in the future. Are there any future plans or new features that you'd like to share from the Salesforce side?
Yeah, well, Marketing Cloud has been releasing new editions that are natively built on our core platform and on Data Cloud. So, Marketing Cloud Growth and Advanced Edition. And these editions are becoming a significant opportunity for Salesforce ISVs, just like Litmus, because they can now integrate and extend Marketing Cloud and distribute their apps on our App Exchange there. So our product team is investing in a new extension point for the preview and test UI components within the marketing app of these new additions. So this will allow Litmus to bring the same great preview functionality to all of our newest editions of Marketing Cloud, just like we do and will continue to do in Marketing Cloud engagement today.
That's amazing. I am very much looking forward to these new additions and seeing, again, how they will work with Litmus, help marketers just create the exceptional email experiences they've come to know by using Salesforce and Litmus together. So, Matt, I just want to say to kind of close out here, thank you so much for joining me today and for sharing how Salesforce Marketing Cloud and Litmus together help marketers create these amazing, effective emails. It's been awesome to get to share how our partnership makes it easy to just get more flawless, personalized emails out the door faster. We're so grateful to work alongside you all and the whole team over there at Salesforce. And we, like I said, can't wait to see what's next. So thank you again for being part of our partner spotlight.
Thanks for having me.